Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So everyone has been on me to show some homes in St. James, Montego Bay. So that's what I did for you guys. So I take a little break from my auto trip and I said I'm gonna get this video up because I found 3 homes for you guys under 15 million Jamaican dollars in St. James. So let's jump right into the video. Alright, so the first home I want to show you is listed for US $95,000 or 14,621,450 Jamaican dollars. It's located in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay, and it's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom property. Alright, now how this home is split so that there's potential to earn income, because we love that over here, and rent out one section, is that on the ground floor you will have the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, kitchen, living, and dining. Then on the first floor, or you know what I like to call it, upstairs, you have the 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, kitchen, living, and dining again. So you can choose to rent out one of the floors and also live on the other one, or if you already own a home, you could have this one where you have 2 different renters coming in, 2 different tenants, and you'd rent out both units to them. So that's really good. So the only drawback to this one that I know I may receive some heat for is that the sellers are seeking cash buyers for this home. All right, guys, so if you want to buy cash, this is one for you. Maybe you could still reach out and see what could work out for you guys, or so if you don't have the full cash payment, you still could try. But they are seeking cash buyers for this one here in Montego Bay. As you can see, the home already has like cabinetry and so on built in the kitchen. It is tiled and it's not in too bad of a shape, just needs some renovations. Not bad at all. So again, this one is going for 14,621,450 Jamaican dollars or 95,000 US dollars. Okay, so this next home is listed for 14 million Jamaican dollars or 90,962 US dollars. It's located in Reading, St. James, and this one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in a fairly new complex. Now this complex is called Reading Manor, and as you can see, it's fairly new, recent. It seems to be recently built. I love the colors of this apartment. The color scheme just screams tropical vacation Jamaican home. Like, I don't know if it's because I'm used to Kingston and seeing all the gray apartments. Yes, they do have a nice modern touch, but I like these colors. So let's take a look inside. As you can see, as I said before, it's fairly new. So all your kitchen built-ins are going to have that new look. Your tiling seems to be like a nice ceramic. Not certain, but it seems to be like a nice ceramic tile. And as you can see, lots of natural light coming in from that little balcony area. Ooh, really nice, sleek apartment. Seems to be move-in ready. You don't have a lot of work to do, and as you can see from the zoom out, how quite spacious your living room area is. This would be like the living and dining. So really nice, really nice. As you take a step into the bedroom, you will see that you do have your sliding windows, and you also have that closet built in there. This property features 24-hour security, water heater, water tank, as well as this. As you can see, it's fully walled. It has the security, it has the electric gate. So a really, modern apartment complex for persons looking to buy in St. James. The bathroom. Personally, I don't really like this cabinetry setup here. This sink, but it's not bad. It's not bad. And if you want to go ahead and change it out, that's just my personal view, but nothing at all is wrong with it. I just don't really like it. And as you can see, you have this really spacious shower, really quite spacious. So yeah, really spacious and nice. A nice shower here, and then this sliding door takes you out into like a little backyard area, which is fenced off from like your neighbors, which is really good. Some little privacy in your apartment complex, with so many things being shared already, driveway, entrance, and other facilities there. It's good to have a nice little backyard area of your own. I really like this one. I just love the colors on this apartment. So tell me what you guys think in the comments down below of this one here. 14 million Jamaican dollars in Reading, St. James, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment. Okay, so the last home I have to show you guys is this one, listed for 70,000 US dollars, or 10,773,700 Jamaican dollars. Now this one is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom house on Belize Avenue in Cornwall Courts, Montego Bay, St. James. Now this area is just located about 10 minutes from the Montego Bay town center, and that would put it close to a lot of schools, shopping facilities, malls, and everything in the Montego Bay area that persons would need access to or quick access to. So as you can see, this home, it is ready for expansion. Like, everything is in place to continue expanding on this home. So it would be good for a small family. It would also be good for even a single person or a young couple. So this one would be a good start for someone. It is the cheapest of all the 3 homes that I'm going to show you guys today, coming in at US $70,000. So it's a project that was started by someone. They didn't finish. We can say this part of the structure is finished from what we can see, but there is opportunity to expand. All right, so again, that one was listed for US $70,000, or Jamaican 10,773,700 Jamaican dollars, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom, Cornwall Courts, Montego Bay. Now I will link all the realtor information for all these homes in the description box down below, guys. So click this link in the description box to contact the realtors about these homes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with someone who's looking for a home in Montego Bay, because why would you not? Follow me on all socials at Safe Haven, and until my next video, bye guys.